Hi all, I invite all of you to listen to the browser application details. Browser is a very important app we are using frequently to search anything in the internet. The browser collects most of the information from us and use it for various analytical purposes. It will give data to some other companies for specific ads in your search. So you have to be very careful to choose which browser you are using for searching anything in internet. So as per the current controversy with Chinese apps, Government of India has banned UC browser and some other countries also may ban that browser. So we need to find out the alternative option for best browser for our day-to-day usage. So the best alternative is Google Chrome, Geo browser, Brave browser, Epic browser. So they are very much better than UC browser. So you have to use them instead of UC browser to search anything in internet. Brave browser is faster than any other browser, so you can choose Brave browser also. Thank you for watching this video.